sure it doesn't break, guys.
Why?
David just finished this slide. He's trying to make sure it doesn't break.
Scary.
He's not the builder
Come on
that
down,
Grandpa
kid.
was.
Go. How fast is it?
Next time, Grandma, we're buying one. Go.
Stay on your side. Oh, why are you trying to go slow? Whoa, stay on your side.
Don't need to sand those things. Sliver heaven.
Okay, then you can say hi to Grandma.
Hi, Grandma. What do you want someone to go?
You're scared.
Here.
Watch. Watch.
Okay, Ruby, you want to tell Grandma something?
I love you, Grandma. Bye. I'll show you how I go down it.
Okay, one more time.
Bye.
All right, Kim, you go. Here goes Kim.
You gotta hold it still.
I'm holding it still.
This is still.
Ish. Don't get sick, Grandma.
Bye, Mommy.
Honey, this whole video will be sideways.
I know.
Put it on this side you want. Mommy.
Okay, Lenny, there you go.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't help you here. Okay, Ruby, you go and then I'll go next to Lenny.
You go. You can. Why is it? Ow.
This is too long.
What?
A minute and a half so far.
I'm scared.
Here, here.
Lenny, you need
There goes
to
Mommy.
stay on the other side of the line.
You ready?
Whee!
Whoa.
Say bye-bye, Grandma.
Nothing like sledding on a metal roof.
Yeah, we could just put them on this house. Been a lot less frustrating. Go! See, you just put your crack on that line there and down you go.
Stop it.
Keeps you aligned. Go, buddy. You break your foot. Bye, Grandma. We love you.
I'm gonna